Introducing XMARTO's Prime Series Thermal Sensing Super HD Security Camera System, powered with color night vision. Enjoy peace of mind wherever you are 24/7 with the thermal sensing HD security cameras installed in your home or business. See and hear in crystal clear real-time 2K videos, with 2K 1296p high-definition video cameras offering infrared night vision that you can use indoors or outdoors. The Super HD 1296p cameras let you discern important information that are important for evidence, such as faces and license plates. Thermal sensing detects events that are more relevant to security. The cameras detects human and animals and reduces alerts caused by moving trees and bugs. Get push notifications on your smartphones when thermal activity detected, so you are well notified when you have a true visitor. One tap to sound an alarm siren to deter intruders away. Stop crime before it happens. The integrated 400 lumens floodlights automatically light up when thermal activity is detected, helping you to see the areas in color night vision and enhance the deterrence. Automatically records 24/7 videos onto a massive hard drive with easy retrieval of highlighted event video clips right to your smartphone, or to an USB memory stick. Have extra peace of mind by subscribing cloud storage, or plug micro SD cards to cameras, so you will have video evidence even your NVR gets stolen. Use voice command via Alexa to see what's happening.
Alexa, show me the front door.
With XMARTO's Generation 3 long-range Wi-Fi and auto Wi-Fi relay technology, mount your cameras hundreds feet away without running video cables. Do it yourself without paying for installation and cabling. View live footages and playback high-definition videos on your HD TV or monitor via HDMI connection or VGA port. Protect your property, see if your package has been delivered and make sure your loved ones and pets are okay. Do it all with XMARTO's Prime Series Thermal Sensing Security Camera System.